Hey guys,
this is Vera
and Petty,
We are traveling the world with this van.
and now we would like to show you our home.
So first, when we open the door, we give this beautiful hippie vibe with macrames and different kinds of pictures. But it has also function because this beautiful macrame hides a little secret box in which we store the gas for the stove. And here are some chargers, two USB, two power delivery USB, one C and one cigarette lighter. So this is the entrance, and the first thing what we do is to take off our shoes here. So this is a little box for the shoes and also cleaning supplies. So if we come in, we are here in the kitchen, my favorite place. This is a foldable surface. This is really useful. We have here a tap with cold and warm water. This is so important. And also we have here a 2-burner stove for the cooking. And when the weather is sunny, normally I use the induction cooker because that time we have a lot of solar power.
There are a total of 3 Hyundai monocrystalline solar panels on the roof, each capable of delivering 400 watts, providing a theoretical total of 1200 watts.
So we store everything what is needed in the kitchen. Knives, forks, plates. Here are some herbs what I use often. But we also have an electric kettle, this sokány. This is a new thing in our home because I really like making teas, and with this it's so much easier. And here are also some herbs, and we also have an extravaganza accessory, a built-in lamp. Here in the kitchen, which is also useful for the cooking, but it's useful for the partying as well. We store the vegetables and the fruits here in this net. It's really useful. The things cannot fall down. And also here, usually I put the pastas, the dry foods here. Also here is a big storage space for everything. We just put the blankets and everything else what we don't need. And also here are 2 secret boxes with the letter C and M, in which we store our vitamin C and multivitamin. And also we have a lot of hooks here, which are pretty useful basically for everything. And this Buddha monkey is for the car key. This is a new thing. Maybe I'll paint it for gold later, I don't know.
So let's see what's on the other side of the kitchen counter. The wardrobe. This is where we store our most frequently used clothes, which are held in place with elastic bands so they don't fall out. And here is our dining table / home office / workshop space. So firstly, these are very large storage boxes with a lot of drawers. This one is dedicated for tools which are needed for repairing the car and for maintenance. Lots of tools, bolts, And the other storage box contains everything which we needed. For example, some electrical cables, medicines, and for some art stencils and everything. And here are some secret power outlets. And here is a secret microwave oven which is hidden under this seat. And this seat holds also a little secret. It can be opened, and we store a lot of kitchen equipment here. So we usually eat at this table. We set up here a foldable chair, and we also have this chair so we can eat together. But also this is an office space as well. We can work here. Here is an electric toothbrush charger. We have a lot of storage boxes there in the wall. Pencils, pens. And here we have also some storage units. Here we have a beautiful window with a net. We have some curtains. But if you are wondering what are these black stripes, I can show you. For the winter season, we have this insulating blanket, and it can be placed to this window. So now the window is insulated.
And now let's move to the next room. So you can see here another storage space for the pastas and everything else. And here is a built-in fridge. It's a Dometic brand. It's a really tiny fridge, but it's enough for us. On the fridge, you can see a really important feature of the bus, which is a mirror. I was the creator of this thing because in a van we need definitely a mirror. So yeah, I have a mirror finally. And if you come down here, here is the bathroom. I make you light. Yeah, so there is enough space for one person to take a shower like this. Yeah, we store the shampoo and the soap here, and also on the ceiling you can see these little holes. It's for the drying process. So when the weather is rainy, you can dry your clothes here. For this, we have a built-in heater, so the warm air can come here and dry your clothes.
If you are interested in van building or our travels, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And in front of the shower, there is a little seat and also some storage boxes here. We store some soap, some sun lotions and remotes, everything. Here is also some storage here. We store the Starlink router here and toilet papers there. So this seat hides a little secret. The toilet. This is a separating toilet, so it separates our product. The toilet has a small fan that continuously draws air through the toilet. Its speed can, of course, be controlled via PWM. We have some bags here, and we also have some storage space here. We store some electrical equipment here. So we have this panel for cooling and heating. These vents are for the cooling and this vent is for the heating. We can control what to do with the hot air with these switches, but I will explain it later.
And here are some switches for the AC and for the diesel heater as well. Also for the water. With these dimmers, I can control the lights. And here is the bedroom. And we are sleeping like this. So we needed extra space for our legs. And that's why Patty built in a foldable leg holder. That's it. So we have extra space for our legs. And also I want to show you our secret surveillance system. We have 4 cameras outside on the van. One is at the back, the front, the left and the right side of the van. We needed these cameras because our safety feeling, maybe, if we are stopping by around a shady neighborhood or somewhere like this.
So now take a look at the back of the van. Here is a fan, which we can control from the inside. It can pull or push air inwards. So here is the back. Under this level, we have every mechanical engineering parts of the van. So the electric system, the pipes, the tanks, the water, the diesel heater and the water heater and air conditioning, everything. I will show you later. Here is 2 tanks of fresh water, which we can fill with this hose. We can connect this hose to this system and open this tap, so we can fill our water tank. And also we have a 3rd water tank for only the shower. Here we store some fabrics, engine oil, some soap and bottles. We have this official solar panel cleaner system. Some poles, we have the chairs, electric connector. For example, this connector we can use for charging the van when we are at a camping site. Here we have 2 traction pads if we got stuck in the mud, and camping chair, camping foldable tables, and here we have a spare tire and the foldable aluminium ladder. This is our storage space. We can store all of the things here which we carry to our journey. If you are interested in how the electrical, water and heating system works, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next episode. And you can also find us on Instagram. So thanks for watching, bye!